Hey guys, Ronnie here. I'm just doing a quick review and demo of my Wahl Peanut Trimmers. I also have a little video down here showing them in action. All right, here's a closer look at the Wahl Peanut Trimmers and everything that comes with it, minus the guard for the blade. Like I said, I've had it for many years and I've lost the guard somewhere along the way, but I still have everything else and everything works great. It is a corded trimmer with a 7-foot cord. It is a standard 2-prong outlet, runs off of 110 volts, so it is meant for the US market. So if you are traveling, you need to have some type of voltage step down or they're going to burn up if you plug them up somewhere else. Okay, so from left to right, we have our brush for cleaning the blades, our oil. Put a couple of drops on every once in a while to keep the blades smooth. And you have guide cones 1 through 4. 1 and 2 are for more of a couple days growth look, and 3 or 4 are more of the outgrown look, beard. Let's get a little closer look here. Here is the trimmer itself. There's your button there on the side, on and off. And you can hear this. They're really powerful. And it's got a great weight to it, a great feel. That's after 18 years. They still work great. All right, let's go ahead and put one of these guide combs on so you see how easy they pop on and off. Okay, you just kind of pop it on like that. And when you're done, you just pop it off the back. Snaps in that little spot right there. All right. And another cool feature is the actual blades do pop off. If you do have to replace them, if they get rusted or if they get old and start to pull, you can always put new blades on there. So you don't have to worry about that. They'll stay sharp and they pop on and off really easily. You just kind of put them on like that, put them in place, and pop them back on. And there you go, the Wahl Peanut Trimmers. I've had these for a long time. They work great. I highly recommend them.